If you want to stop the auto-renewal of your Instacart subscription, follow these simple steps to manage your account settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your Instacart account. Visit the Instacart website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with the subscription you want to cancel. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find subscription details. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Subscriptions or Membership. Click on it to view current subscription details, including renewal dates and payment information. Step 4. Cancel auto renewal. Within the subscription details, you should see an option to manage or cancel auto renewal. Click on this option and follow the prompts to confirm that you want to stop the auto renewal feature. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After cancelling the auto renewal, you may receive a confirmation message or email. Make sure to check for this confirmation to ensure that your subscription will not renew automatically. By following these steps, you can successfully stop the auto-renewal of your Instacart subscription. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Instacart's customer support for help.